orthopedic surgeon with specialization in arthroscopy, and I do keyhole joint surgeries of the knee and shoulder since last 15 years. Today I would like to provide you some information regarding osteoarthritis, especially the osteoarthritis of the knee. Osteoarthritis is a very crippling disorder of the knee that predominantly affects the people in the age group more than 50 to 55 and 60 years onwards. It really deteriorates the quality of living or the standard of living that people face because they cannot do for walking, their exercises, and it gives a painful gait. So what is this osteoarthritis? Osteoarthritis is basically degeneration of the articular cartilage. Articular cartilage is typically is present at the end of your thigh bone and is available at the top of the shin bone. So articular cartilage is about 5 to 7 mm of thickness on the either side of the bones in your knee joint. So this is the articular cartilage. And articular cartilage is responsible for the smooth functioning of the knee. So whenever this cartilage degenerates or deteriorates, the knee becomes painful. And especially in the people who have an end-stage osteoarthritis, there is no cartilage here is left, and there is a rubbing of bone to bone. So this is the case when knee replacement surgery will be required, and nothing other thing can help. But how can you slow down the deterioration of cartilage? How can we extend the life of our knee joint? Or how can we prevent our articular cartilage to remain for a longer period of time? So one of the most important things is to maintain the ideal body weight. To maintain the ideal body weight so that less amount of stress comes on your knee. To maintain the ideal body weight, you need to have a habit of doing a regular exercises, and also doing a proper exercises. Patients or people with a higher body weight should not engage in jumping exercises, aerobic exercises, because it puts a tremendous amount of load on your knee, which might damage the ligaments of the knee or the menisci, which is the guardia of the knee. So such people with more body weight, preferably should do cycling, swimming, gym exercises or floor exercises. And at the same time, they should also maintain in a proper diet in which there is reduced intake of carbohydrates so that they have a reduced calorie consumption, and thus it helps in reducing the body weight. So these are the two most important things that one should do in order to promote the life of the knee. The other things that also needs to be done apart from doing the knee exercises, one should especially focus on your core exercises. That's your lower back, abdomen, hip exercises. Because more stronger is your core, less amount of stress goes on your knee. The other thing that can be taken is to take certain amounts is to prevent the osteoporosis to happen. Osteoporosis is basically decreasing the density of calcium in your bones. So bones with weak calcium content will, especially in joints in such bones, will rapidly progress to osteoarthritis. So in order to prevent osteoporosis, you should take regular calcium supplementation along with vitamin D supplementation, and there are certain specific medicines that are available which are anti-osteoporotic medications, which needs to be taken on a regular basis so as to prevent osteoporosis, especially in case of females. The other thing that can be done is to take cartilage nutrients. There are certain specific medications or supplements that are available which are especially give rise to a healthy cartilage or prevent the deterioration of cartilage or prevent the erosion of cartilage, like glucosamine, chondroitin, and certain amounts of collagen peptides medications are available which reduces the slowdown or prevent the deterioration of articular cartilage. So through this combined approach of reducing body weight, increasing your core strength, doing regular exercises, following a proper diet, doing an anti-osteoporosis medication, and taking cartilage nutrient supplements, we can delay osteoarthritis and live an active life, especially in the age of 60 to 70 years. And this is especially helpful as now the life expectancy in India has increased, which was initially about 59 years, it has increased to 75 years. So in the last 2 decades of life, that's from 50 years to 70 years, we need to be more contributory and active in life, and for that we require good knees. So take care of your knees. Thank you.